Yours, right?
Oh, yeah, we can. I don't need a helmet though. I don't need it. We're just gonna.
You want her point of view?
We'll just go. Yeah. Go ahead. Put the helmet on, Mary. And you can say what you're thinking too. You can talk to the people.
I'm scared.
This one go up, down. You ain't gonna pop too many wheelies.
I ain't popping no wheelies. You falling. Yo.
Alright. You ready? There you go. Don't hit nothing yet.
Okay.
That's the gas. Go ahead, touch the gas. Give it a little gas. No, this thing right here.
Oh, just okay.
Yeah, pull it.
Pull it? Woo.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Okay.
Move up a little bit.
What is the clutch for?
The clutch. Nah, we ain't going really yet.
This? Okay.
No, more in front. Right there.
Okay.
Feel that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You're gonna press it down.
I'm gonna press it down?
Yeah, click it down. Alright, you felt that?
Okay.
So now you're in.
Do I hold it down?
Gear. Yeah, so now hold on. Because you're gonna move.
Okay.
Put your feet up. Yeah, put your feet on the pegs.
This is the thing?
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna let the clutch go. You good. Go ahead, give it some gas. A little bit. Down with your feet, so give it a click. Oh, and then you hit the brake right here. I'll do it for you. Alright. Alright, let go. I got it. Alright, we're gonna turn around. It's a little hard. You gotta mess with the clutch. Ooh, awesome.
Baby. That was fun.
Right. You're a rider now.
That was fun, thanks.
You're certified.
Hello.
You know how to shift gears.
High five.
How you feel?
I feel great. That was a terrible high five. Stop.